Hello friends, let's learn animal names from A to Z. A is for alligator. Hey, did you know alligators are super swimmers? They use their long, powerful tails to zoom through water like a submarine. They mostly eat fish, frogs, turtles, and birds. B is for bear. Bears love berries and honey. They have super sniffing powers. A bear's nose is so strong, it can smell food from miles away. C is for cat. Cats can jump super high. They can leap up to 6 times their own height, like tiny acrobats. D is for ducks. Ducks have waterproof feathers. They spread special oil on their feathers, so water slides right off, like magic raincoats. They love to talk. E is for elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals in the world. Their trunk is a super tool. An elephant's trunk has so many muscles, they can grab food, drink water, trumpet, and even hug with it. F is for flamingo. Flamingos aren't born pink. Baby flamingos are gray or white. They turn pink because they eat special foods like algae and shrimp. Flamingos live in big groups. G is for giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. Grown giraffes can be as tall as a 2-story building. Giraffes have super long tongues. Their tongues are about 18 to 20 inches long and purple so they don't get sunburnt. H is for hippopotamus. Hippos spend most of their day in water. They love staying in rivers and lakes to keep cool. They can hold their breath for a long time. I is for iguana. Iguanas are reptiles. They're in the same animal family as lizards, snakes, and turtles. Iguanas can change colors. Green iguanas might turn darker when they're cold or lighter when they're happy. J is for jaguar. Jaguars are the biggest cats in the Americas. They're even larger and stronger than leopards. Their spots have tiny spots inside. K is for koala. Koalas are not bears. Even though people say koala bear, they're actually marsupials, animals with pouches. Koalas are picky eaters and love the leaves from certain eucalyptus trees. L is for lion. Lions are known as the king of the jungle. Lions live in groups called prides. A pride is like a big family with moms, dads, and cubs. M is for monkey. Monkeys are great climbers. They spend most of their time in trees, jumping and swinging around. They love fruits. Bananas, berries, leaves, nuts. Monkeys enjoy lots of tasty plants. N is for narwhal. Narwhals are called the unicorns of the sea. They have a long spiral tusk that looks like a unicorn horn. They are found in the icy waters of the Arctic. O is for octopus. An octopus has 8 arms. That's why their name starts with octo, which means 8. P is for penguin. Penguins are black and white birds that cannot fly. They waddle cutely and slide on their bellies on the snow. Q is for quail. Quails are small, cute birds with round bodies. They have a funny little feather on top of their head that looks like a tiny hat. Quails live on the ground and run very fast instead of flying high. R is for rabbit. Rabbits have long ears that help them hear sounds from far away. They love to hop using their strong back legs. Rabbits eat carrots, leafy greens, and hay. S is for snail. Snails carry their house, shell, on their back everywhere they go. They move very slowly using a slimy path called mucus. T is for turtle. Turtles have a hard shell that works like armor to protect them. They can tuck their head and legs inside the shell when they feel scared. They are slow movers. U is for unicorn. Unicorns are magical horses with a shiny twisty horn on their forehead. Their horns are called alicorns and are said to have magical powers. V is for vulture. Vultures are big birds with super strong wings for soaring high in the sky. They have an excellent sense of smell and eyesight to find food from far away. W is for whale. Whales are the biggest animals on Earth, even bigger than dinosaurs were. They breathe air through a blowhole on top of their head. Whales talk to each other using songs and clicks. X is for X-ray tetra. X-ray tetras are tiny fish that live in rivers in South America. Y is for yak. Yaks have long, shaggy hair that keeps them warm in cold mountains. They live high up in places like the Himalayas. Z is for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes, and no two zebras have the same pattern, just like fingerprints. Their stripes help them hide in tall grass by confusing predators. To like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new adventure. Thanks for watching, friends. See you next time. Bye.